was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, do well to hit that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, because I wouldn't want you to miss more important video I'm going to post next. Okay, turn on the notification. And if you find this video helpful, do well to hit that like button. This is your friend the seer. Okay, well endowed in nature. Now what you have to understand, there's something I want to teach you before going to today's topic. And today's topic is all about how to use Fanta for favor, mercies, and blessing. 12 midnight, that's 12 a.m. Yes, okay. But before then, I would like to teach you guys something from in knowledge from the spiritual realm. Your mind is very, very important. Your beliefs are very, very important. Your mind is your creative power, so use it wisely. Ask yourself, I want you to comment in the comment section, is your mind using you or you are using your mind? So let me know in the comment section, is your mind uses you or you are using your mind? Because everything work from all creation start from the mind. The cars you are seeing today start from the mind. The airplane you are seeing today start from the mind. The telephone we are using today start from the mind. Your mind is your creative power. Your mind is like a fertile land. Either you plant there what you want, or people will plant on it what they want, or wanted wind will grow on it themselves therein. So guide your mind with all your ability, and every other thing will be added to you. So that is it. And I was thinking of something came to me this morning. I was telling me to be teaching this spiritual knowledge concerning our inner self. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Maybe I will create a separate YouTube for it, for that knowledge, spiritual knowledge, or so let me say knowledge from the spiritual realm. Or if you guys are interested, let me know if I will be dropping it right here on this channel as well. Today, guys, what I'm teaching you is Fanta at 12 a.m. Yes, Fanta at 12 a.m. All you need is just Fanta at 12 a.m. All you have to do is that once it is 12 a.m., okay, get your Fanta exactly 12 a.m. Get your Fanta. It can be bottle Fanta, it can be canned Fanta. Fanta is Fanta, not pop, not pop Fanta, or not pop Fanta, not Melinda. Real Fanta. So after you have gotten this Fanta, all you have to do, open it. Put it on a cup or in a bowl. Hold it with your two hands. Make sure you are barefooted, okay? Face where the sun rises. Make all your requests, all your prayers on it. Make sure your face is, take, if it is a bowl, make sure the bowl is close to your face. While as you are speaking, you, as in the air coming from your mouth will be going in. If it's a cup, close to your face. Close to your face while you make your prayers on it, okay? So after you have done making your prayers on it, then you pour it inside your baby water, or better still, pour everything inside your baby water. Then keep your face close to the baby water while you make your prayer. Speak the words on it, anything you want at all. Speak the words on it, okay? Yes, speak the words on it, okay? So after you are done making your prayers on it, remember, it is not all you are going to pour. If it is a bowl, you pour it before you pour it directly uh, to the water. So first of all, you drink a little one from it. After you drink a little one from it, then the remaining one you pour it inside the water you are going to take your bath with. Then it's done. This worked perfectly. Tested and trusted. So what are you waiting for? Do well to hit that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Anything you don't understand, ask question in the comment section. I will get back to you. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, comment I want to join your WhatsApp group, and I will add you 100% free. And if you want me to make some consultation for you, do what to reach me. I'm available for you guys, okay? See you guys till the next video. Just know that the seer always care.